what do we have here? It's an old, well, not real old. It's a few years old. It's a GE French door refrigerator with the freezer on the bottom. Got this from a junk dealer for 25 bucks. Saved him time having to haul it off to the dump. And I tore out the compressor. I tore out just about everything inside. But I did keep the wiring. And this is, or the computer that runs the lights, because this is my Neoden pick and place machine now. So it's going to be dry storage, because the way these reels are, I don't go through them fast. And, you know, they're open, even though it's covered with the plastic. The chip itself is open to the atmosphere. So I'm trying to keep all my reels as dry as possible now. Anyway, everything works fine. This is a drawer that pulls out that I made. I just bought 22-inch drawer slides that could handle 150 pounds, or maybe they were 250-pound slides. But anyway, and you'll see that this is the springs that used to be on the old top. So I can access my reels and trim my tapes as they're pulled. What else? Let me close it, power it up real quick. I did sneak in electrical power through the back. I've got desiccant, and I'm going to get more desiccant, because my intent is to have it really dry in here. So it's not refrigerated at all, but these door seals are nice. Everything's fine, even the up-looking camera. Here's the up-looking camera. There's nothing noisy on it. It looks up. There's no bad reflections from up top. So this is what I've done for the Neoden. Dry storage of all my extra reels and stuff. I'm also going to put my printed circuit boards in here for dry storage. And the lower section is all available for dry storage. Anyway, thought you'd like this idea. It was a very tight fit. This was the ice maker. I had to remove the door to that ice maker because that's how tight it ended up when the door fully closes. But so I did this for the Neoden pick and place machine. You could also do this for 3D printers. You could actually use an old refrigerator as your environmental chamber, so there's no drafts, and you could even elevate the temperature inside for 3D printing. Like, yeah. Anyway, like if you're doing ABS, that'd be great. All right. See you later. Bye.